Hi, in this video I'm going to give a quick introduction to our UI in regards to character transfer, as well as the sample files for character transfer that usually comes with the installation. So first is the UI. When you start A2F app, you kind of like see the character here by default loaded, and this is our digital mark character, and it's already by default has A2F pipeline connected to it. So when you play the audio or you change the audio, this already moving. If by any chance you kind of like screw up this scene or you want to go back to where it was, there is a way to do this by just go to A2F and reset demo scene. So this will kind of bring you back to this kind of default scene again. So on the right side, you'll see that we have all our property. We have A2F panels here widget. This will control basically the whole A2F um, functionality, and we also have the character transfer here. And right now, this panel is doesn't have much here, and they will be activated or expanded depending on the mesh you provided. And lastly, here on regarding UI, we have the content browser here. We also have on the same section we have the console. So content browser allows you to quickly browse to where your files are. I kind of have this hidden, but this is where you will connect to the Omniverse server or find where your files are, while the console helps easily navigate to the logs and the error message or warnings that you might see. um, so that's a quick tour for the UI. The next is the files that comes with for the character transfer. We shipped two example characters for character transfer, plus our digital mark. So there are three. So the two characters are the alien and Allison, right? And you'll see that we also have the MB file, the Maya files for Allison and for alien as well. And we have the main USD file for each of it. So if I double click this file, then you see that this is the character, the texture already loaded, but there is no lights in this scene currently. Um, Same for the Allison scene. If I double click the Allison USD, then you'll bring the scene also have no lights in there. You can and we have the demo light scene already prepared. So at any time if you want this demo light, you can just drag into your scene, and there you go. The lights are already loaded. So this scene demo lights USD contains just the demo lights that is referenced in our in these two 4 files. So coming back to this character, we have two for each of the character. We have the tag files here and the transfer file. Tag files are essentially we done the correspondence tagging for the mark and this character, so it's ready to begin the mesh fitting. And while the same for the Allison tag here, right? We have the points already tagged as well. And then we have the transfer file. So transfer is basically everything set up, done already. So if I open the transfer file, the green mark is hidden already, and the A2F also already connected. So at this point, if you play any audio, these two heads are already moving. So go to the other Allison file, and these are the same. So they're already kind of like can animate based on your audio. And for Allison, there's the extra that the eyebrow here also have the wrap deformer already applied, so that they are driven by the skin already. So that's pretty much all the files that we that are provided with the character transfer. And there you go. Thank you.